beautiful. I'm sitting on my little stoop that I found my very last day. I feel a lot more comfortable alone right now. I never was really alone in my trip. I was independent but not alone. There's so many people around, and you can tell right away which ones are pleasantly surprised to talk and tell stories and exchange moments. And then other people, you'll know who it's good to talk to. The trail is so pretty. I think a lot of people are unhappy with life, and it's hard to be independent and alone, and it's hard to feel like people don't reach out to you, or like it's not really good to be isolated, but it's good to know that wherever you go, you can find people that would love to experience part of their day with you. I think my energy and my talkativeness and curiosity and willingness to talk to other people, I could tell how much joy I brought them. I think by bringing other people joy and experiencing beautiful moments, you're really making the world the way that it should be, that we should all be able to be there for each other, even if we don't know it yet. I think that's what the beauty is of traveling and going different places. You never know where your next story is going to come from. And I really think meditation helped me a lot on my trip. Helps me a lot too. There's so many things to worry about. So many things that we could think about that could occupy our brain that are toxic for us. And just to take moments by yourself and meditate and make sure that you're taking deep breaths and just watching the water, watching the view. It's so calming, beautiful. Just to let yourself dream and watch the birds, watch the water. There's something really peaceful and connecting, just like being on the Atlantic coast. It's like, gosh, there's such a big world out there with so many beautiful animals and birds and people to meet. Such a beautiful world of opportunity, and yet a lot of the thoughts that come into our head are negative ones, and I rather fill them with positive energy. We can help boost each other up and just live in the moment. Make it easier to think of positive thoughts and memories and stories and nature and things that fill us up. Practice thinking happy thoughts, beautiful thoughts. Maybe it will get easier. One can hope.